Hi, this is personal injury attorney Sean McQuaid, and I have a success story regarding a car accident and a landscaping truck. So here are the facts of the case. My client was on his way to help his mother move up in Newport Richey in Pasco County, and he stopped off at Sonic on the way to pick up some food for himself and for his mother. And as he was pulling he pulled out of the driveway into a side street, and he was looking to the left. He was going to make a right-hand turn. Looking to his left, a landscaping truck came up behind him and hit him so hard that it drove his car into the intersection. Luckily, no other cars hit him, but he turned around and he sees this giant landscaping truck. I mean, the kind that you go out and you trim trees with, massive. So police were called. He starts feeling pain in his neck. I think he goes to urgent care. Then he gets set up with a chiropractor and starts off with physical therapy, chiropractic adjustments, but the neck is still bothering him. So he's sent off for an MRI. Sure enough, the MRI comes back. He's got multiple disc herniations in his neck, so it's not good. So he's sent off for pain management, and he winds up getting a facet block injection into his neck. Not successful. Goes back, has a radio frequency ablation into his neck where they actually go in and they burn the nerves in your neck. And again, that helped a little bit, but he was still worried. He was sent off for a surgical consultation. They said, yeah, you're gonna need surgery to your neck. He was a young guy. They said at some point, it's gonna get so bad that you're gonna need surgery. So it's, pretty serious. So he ran up, I'd say, over $50,000 in medical bills, and he still owed about $30,000. And Allstate was the insurance company for the landscaping company, so we sent off the demand. I think there was $100,000 of insurance. Sent off the demand for the $100,000 of insurance, and they came back and said, "Oh, we'll offer you $35,000." I said, "$35,000? This guy owes $30,000, and he had to go through all this. He's got these permanent injuries. This is ridiculous. File a lawsuit. Forget these guys. Allstate was being ridiculous." So we filed the lawsuit. They go through, make us jump through all the hoops. They want every single medical record, interrogatories, paperwork. They sit him down for a discovery deposition, go through everything about his life, keep him there for hours. And at the end of the day, after the deposition, I said to the lawyer, "So what is going on here? Why are you guys only offering $35,000? He said, "I get it. Send me something supplemental. Give me an updated demand." I said, "All right, I'll send you out an updated demand. It's exactly the same thing that we've already sent you 5 times. It's the same thing that he just testified to, but I'll send you an updated demand." So I sent the updated demand. What happens? I get the email. We're going to pay the $100,000. So, they made him jump through all the hoops, but we were able to settle for the full amount of the insurance policy. So that was a successful result. Yeah, it's not good. No one ever wants to be in an accident getting hit with a landscaping truck. But at least in this situation, his injuries, his bills were able to be compensated. And, so that is at least a little bit of a silver lining with the extent of his injuries. So I hope you enjoyed this success story, and take care.